Hi everyone, so just finishing up here at Jaywick, so outside the beach bar, which has been here since 1953. That's 70 years this year, amazing. So we had a really good day filming doing a documentary. Some really interesting developments that are happening here at Jaywick. New seawall development going on, a new complex is being built called the Sunspot. Speaking to some of the local people, finding out about some of the local campaigns that Danny's been getting involved with as well. And it's been a really nice day. Jaywick itself, lovely. It's kind of from where I'm seeing half the stuff you see online on social media, the bad rep it gets, it's not really right. I mean, maybe I've just been lucky in seeing what I've been seeing today, but I don't know. There's lots of nice places here, lots of nice people. It's